I have a sickness. I buy plants whenever I see them. Um, I've gone through a lot of plants, and these are just the ones that I've managed to keep alive / just bought. 6 of these plants are brand new to me. I got them within the last 2 months. Some of them I got last week. It's bad. I get really addicted to stuff really easily. The worst part about having a plant obsession is that they're just so cheap. This particular obsession is about 6 months in the running, and hopefully it's a lifelong obsession because the plants aren't planning to die anytime soon. I currently have 28 plants, including the bamboo as 1 plant each, even though there's like 3 to 6 in a pot. The plants that I've had the longest are my sago palm and my money tree, but my oldest tree in my room, my oldest plant in my room, is my ginseng ficus, which I'm guessing is somewhere around 6 to 7 years old. I got it at Walmart, so it didn't even really tell me what it is, much less how old it was or how to take care of it. You can possibly see some of the plants behind me. Can you see them? I don't know, because I can't see what I'm doing. If the plants come with these little tags, I put them in this notebook so that I know when I got them. And then I write down their casual name and then their scientific name. And then I write down how often they're supposed to be fertilized and watered. Not that I necessarily pay attention to that or ever actually follow it. So I'll just go around the room now and introduce everybody. Alright, we'll start over here. We've got, I don't even know what this is because didn't want to tell me. And then we've got a dragon tree, which spent the summer outside and grew immensely in that time. For some reason, the stuff that's grown since it came inside is green, but all the stuff that grew while it was outside is red. So I don't know if this stuff is going to eventually turn red. But this, literally, I brought this in last week, and like all this is green now. I don't really understand that. But I'm happy about it. I'm glad that it doesn't care that it's inside now. And then I have these 2 succulents and this cactus. The cactus is really cute. I love this cactus. My shadow's in the way. And, you know, some bamboo. Some lucky bamboo. This one needs to be propagated because it's dead, which is very sad for me. And then we have my money tree. I'm not sure how old this money tree is. It's got really small, I don't know what these are called, branches. And then a lot of little babies growing up here. It seems to really like this area. The rest of the plants on here are essentially dead. This one is really weird. I just watered this recently, and then this popped up. Like, I thought it was dead, and then I watered it, and this random leaf popped up. I don't know. It's kind of interesting because it's got the most sun here, so I guess that's why it's growing so well. And then there's some semi-dead plants. I'm not sure what they are. And then this is my newest, not my newest cactus, but I got 2 cactuses at the same time. This one has some sort of paint on it that's supposed to like glow in the dark or something. I haven't seen it work, but this is the first time it's actually been sunny outside since I bought this plant, which is not a good thing. It's been raining for about a week. Here's 2 little succulents. This one's old, as you can tell, because it's dying. Because I can't take care of plants. And then this one's new. I'm just repotted into this plant. They're really cute. They're little... They just have little magnets. It makes me nervous. Okay, there we go. And then we have my aloe plant. I love aloe plants. I don't know why. They're kind of like plain to look at, but I really like straightening my hair with this stuff, but it smells so bad. And then up here we have a lucky bamboo plant, which I got pretty cheap because it was already dying when I got it. They weren't watering it. And then this, I think, is an angel plant or something like that. It's growing out of control, and I don't even, like, do anything special with it. Sometimes I forget about it, and it's like, yeah, I'm good. I don't really need dirt or anything. Alright, fine. I call it the creeper plant because I got it from a creepy guy at work who was just like, "Hi, you're pretty, here's a plant." Alright, cool. And then this is a plant that I got in a cup at Walgreens. It was like a quarter of this size. It's obviously not doing too well, but it's not a very attractive plant anyway, so I won't be too sad. I'm a horrible mother. And this is what I believe they call a Talisandra. It's shaped and colored like a pineapple, right? That's what it's called. It's just the green part that's the plant, but somebody's adorable and made this cute little pineapple looking situation going here. And then this is my bonsai. This is like my most prized plant right now because it took me forever to find one. I looked everywhere. It's I believe, a ginseng ficus, and it's got lots of babies growing up here and up here, and the coolest little, like, bark. What is this called? I always forget what this is called. I want to call it roots. But these might actually be roots right here, but look how cool that is. Let me get out of the way so you can see it. Isn't it cool? It's like, I've lived forever, almost a quarter of your life, and you didn't even know. Ugh. And then this is my sago palm, who doesn't seem to like his life right now. He used to all be this color, but now he's like drying. I don't know if that's the season or if it's just because I'm a horrible mom. Probably the second one. I just moved it to a pot that has more drainage, so hopefully that helps him get over his life. Because, I don't know, he even looks like, doesn't he look soggy? He kind of looks soggy, but he's not. He's dry, so hopefully these are new guys, and hopefully that this browning doesn't mean that they're not going to grow anymore. I don't know. I might have to look that up. Maybe I need to, like, clip them so they continue to grow. So, I don't know. And then over here we have one of my other cactuses. I don't remember what it's called. It's like Ling Ting or Ting something or other. I like all these little things coming off of it, and I'm way too scared to touch it, and I'm going to do that. But I even like the little pot. I just like, it's just a cool shape. I don't know. I see things, there was like 40 of them, and I had so much struggle trying to figure out which one I wanted. And then this one doesn't, I don't know what it's called. It looks kind of like a bamboo. Let me pick it up. I just said foliage in a pot, which is what it is, right? Pot was cute, so I was like, I gotta get this. Hopefully it lasts because it doesn't have any drainage, and that makes me nervous. And this is my other cactus. This is my favorite cactus that I have. It is like a coral cactus or something. It's really cool. I can touch it. It doesn't hurt me. I just like how it looks. Oh God. It hates perfumes, apparently. It's very cold. And then this is my ponytail palm. I'm guessing this is probably my second oldest plant in the room, but I'm not really sure how to tell how old that sago palm is. I'm guessing this plant, though, just based off of the size of its trunk. That's what it's called. I'm guessing that it's maybe like 5 or 6 years old as well. I'm not really sure, though. And then over here we have some very large lucky bamboo that are in this really cute pot that is broken. When I water it, water comes out the edge, but I am not good with tools and such, so I don't know how to fix it. It seems to be getting water to its roots anyway, so I'm not going to worry about it. And then, last but not least, we have some baby lucky bamboos that I just propagated. Well, not just propagated. They've been in here for a while. I'll move them into some light here. Please don't start this on fire. The only one that has roots is this guy right here, but he's got pretty good roots, but he kind of looks dye-y. Like, he feels kind of wet and soggy, too, so I'm not sure if he's gonna make it. We'll see what happens with him. But the other ones don't have any. They've been in here for a while, and they don't really have anything. I might need to peel some more leaves off so that they stop trying to make leaves. I don't know how that works. I just read what I can and go from there. There we go. So that's everybody in my room. Those are all, those are some, you know, K-pop stars. And then the other live things I have in here, which are not plants, but you know, they are live. Hello, this is Rowan. Rowan, say hi. Rowan doesn't give a fuck about you guys. Don't be offended. And then in here we have Sherlock, who also probably doesn't give a fuck about you guys. You want to give them a kiss? Do you want to give them a kiss? Give me a kiss. That's very nice of you. What a good boy. Sherlock likes you even if Rowan doesn't. Right, babe? Yes. I need to somehow clean the glass. Oh, I don't know. They all looked so nice, and I just want to collect them all like some sort of master, you know?